There are guys who effortlessly attract high-quality girls, while on the other hand, there are many guys who struggle to find a partner and become bitter as a result. These bitter guys may speak negatively about women, claiming that they are not worth their time and that they would rather give up on relationships altogether. However, it's important to remember that girls can bring joy and excitement to life. While it's crucial to focus on personal growth, it's equally important to be honest with oneself. Blaming girls for one's own shortcomings is not productive. Instead, it's better to learn from resources like this video and improve oneself to become more successful with women in real life. In this video, we will discuss 3 factors that can make a man irresistible to women. Number 1. Having high energy. Women are attracted to confident men who exude energy. They desire a man who is full of confidence and vitality. This doesn't mean acting like a clown or foolishly seeking attention. Instead, think of the alpha gorilla who attracts females. Gorillas live in groups consisting of males and females, but it's the dominant silverback who has access to all the females. This is because the silverback is a powerful leader, radiating energy and strength. If challenged, he displays his dominance by baring his teeth, pounding his chest, and charging forward. Despite their power, silverbacks can also be gentle and serve as mentors, teaching younger gorillas important skills. In human society, too, there are alpha males who possess higher energy levels than beta males. This is an essential aspect of thriving as a man, although it is often overlooked. The modern world has a way of draining our energy subtly, with factors like medication and excessive consumption of sexual content online. Rather than falling into these traps, it's possible to boost our energy naturally through physical exercise, sunlight exposure, and getting sufficient rest. Healthy competition also plays a role in boosting testosterone levels. Number 2. Being charismatic. Charismatic individuals are magnetic and possess both likability and power.
You know, James, I just want you to know that if all there was left of you was your smile and your little finger, you'd still be more of a man than anyone I've ever met.
This combination drives women wild and makes them obsess over such men. Charisma allows one to command attention, attract others, and persuade them. It's often seen as a mysterious quality that some men are born with while others are not. However, this is not entirely true. While high energy is an important component of charisma, another aspect is being a good listener. This creates an air of mystery and makes the other person feel valued. Asking questions, maintaining eye contact, and non-verbal cues like smiling or nodding also contribute to charisma. Looking into a woman's eyes while speaking conveys not only the message effectively, but also projects presence, dominance, and power. It's essential to choose words mindfully and avoid wasting them. Whether one is cocky or humble, it is crucial to communicate with confidence and avoid unnecessary small talk. Women are attracted to mystery, and giving away too much information can ruin it. Developing charisma also requires self-awareness and recognizing one's potential for greatness. Approaching life with confidence and the belief that one can attract any woman is key. Attempting to please everyone is counterproductive and diminishes one's charm. Embracing a bit of controversy and not being afraid to offend can be attractive to both men and women. Number 3. Smelling good and dressing well. While we are often told not to judge a book by its cover, first impressions matter, especially to women. If a man smells bad and looks unkempt, he is unlikely to be attractive to anyone. It's crucial to maintain good personal hygiene by showering daily and using natural soaps. Paying attention to oral hygiene is important as well, including regular brushing of teeth and tongue scraping. If you haven't eaten recently, chewing gum can help freshen your breath. Women notice grooming habits first, including hair, facial hair, body odor, and overall cleanliness. Regular haircuts or shaving, finding a beard style that suits you, and dressing appropriately for your physique are all important aspects. Developing your own style not only appeals to women, but also helps in various areas of life. For instance, if you attend a business meeting looking sloppy, people may not take you seriously.
I'd like to help him.
While it may seem like a waste of time or a hassle, investing effort into finding your unique style is worthwhile. And remember, if you want to level up in life to become a man, don't forget to show some love by liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.